So exercise 2.1, in the last video I did up to question number 2. Now today I will do question number 3. Prove that if A, B, C are any statements, then A and B, if A and B, then A or B. Okay, this is read as this, and these are two statements, both of which are formula. So in short, you have to prove that this is equivalent to true and this is equivalent to true. Okay, now you see, so I have to draw the truth table first of all. Suppose A and B are two statements. The possible outcomes are true true, true false, false true, and false false. Okay, now A conjunction B, or A and B, will be if true true then true, if true false then false, and false true is false, false false is false, or no. And A or B, it is true true true, true false true, false true true, and false false is false. So now you have to find this one. So we know if both are true, then this is true. If false true, it is true, false true true, and false false again true. So this column is equivalent to true, and this is what we have to prove. Okay, so ultimately we can say that from the truth table it is clear that this equivalent to true. Question number 2, you have to prove this one. Now here you see A, B, C are three statements are there. So you have to make the truth table like this. First of all, A, B, C, then A, if A then B, if B then C, if these two conjunction, if A then C, and ultimately this one. So the possible outcomes or possible pair of statements will be true true true, true true false, true false true, true false false. So here first of all just write 4 true then 4 false, 2 true, true false, 2 true, true false, and true false, true false, true false, true false, like this. Okay, then you find A, if A then B, this one. If true true then it is true, if true true then true, true false is false, true false is false, false true is again true, false true is true, false true is true, and false false is true. Similarly find B, if B then C, these two I have found out, then these two conjunction, so I found this one. Again if A then C, this one you have to find it out, then the whole this one just write it and just find it out. I got it as true, so this is equivalent to true. This is what you have to prove. Okay, so question number 3 AB done. Now question number 4, prove that these two. Okay, so prove that not P and not Q is equivalent to P or Q. Okay, so first of all write P and Q. So if it will be true true, true false, false true, and false false. Now not P will be, if P is true then it will be false, if it is true it is false, if it is false it is true, and if it is false and this is true. Just opposite. Negation means not P, it is just opposite of that P. If P is true then I will write it is false, like this. Okay, now Q, it is true, it will be false, if it is false it will be true, if it is true it is false, it is false it is true, like this. Now P or Q. Okay, P or Q is true, true true then true, true false true, false true true, and false false is false. And P, not P conjunction not Q means not P or and not Q. Okay, these two and, so false false is false, false true is false, true false is false, and true true is true. Now you find not of this one. So if it is false it will be true, if it is false it will be true, false true, true false. Now you see this column and this column are same. Okay, so from the truth table it is clear that this column and this column are same, so you can say that this equivalent to this. Now number B, similarly you can prove this one also. Here P and Q are two statements, so write P and Q, true true, true false, false true, false false. Then not P, opposite of P, not Q, opposite of Q, then not P, if not P then not Q. It is read as if not P then not Q. Okay, So if false false, it is true. If false true, it is true. True false is false, and true true is true. Okay. Now negation of this means if it is true, it will be false. If it is true, it will be false. If it is false, it will be true. And if it is true, then it will be false. Now this part. Okay, this part means not P conjunction Q. Not P conjunction Q means false true is false, false false is false, true true is true, and true false is false. So this column and this column are again same, so you can say that this is equivalent to this. Question number 5. Test if correct or incorrect means you have to see whether this is equivalent to this or not. So first question is, see, P and Q are two statements, no? So you just write P and Q like this: true true, true false, false true, false false. Then if P then Q, find it out: true true, true, true false, false, false true, true, false false true. Not P, opposite of P. Not Q, opposite of Q. Write it, then find this. If not P, then not Q. Find it this too. If this and this column are not same, okay, so we say that this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Similarly, this one, this is also, you see, P. So this column and this column are not same. Therefore, negation of P, negation of if P then Q is equivalent to P, negation of Q is incorrect. Okay, thank you.